Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So many of you had asked me, Akshat, from where had you taken your C final coaching and what study material did you actually use? Alright, so just answering that. For FR, I had taken Bhavik Choksi sir. He's based in Mumbai, and I had taken his regular lectures which were of 400 hours. Yes, that sounds quite a lot, right? But trust me, for FR, because it's a very bulky subject and plus it's a first subject of all the 8 subjects, so it is either confidence maker or a breaker. In my case, it was a confidence maker. So for FR, 400 hours are worth it. Okay. Plus Bhavik sir covers the ICI SM perfectly and beautifully. You can also think of taking his fast track lectures, which would be around 180 hours. So for FR, the only books I used were Bhavik sir's material. There was no need to refer the ICI SM for FR. Bhavik sir also additionally releases FR Shield, in which he summarized the FR concepts without giving any sums over there. So that is an additional material you can refer. However, I would say that if you've taken the proper coaching, then FR Shield might not be so relevant. However, if you're a student of GFRS, then FR Shield is one of the most important books you'll be able to carry to the examination center, since it will summarize all of the FR concepts in one book itself. So for number 2, SFM. For SFM, I had referred JK Shah classes, Rahul Danait sir and his notes. So the lectures were around 200-220 hours and so on, which was very reasonable for SFM. And plus, the best thing about this particular classroom was that again the ICISM was almost covered. If there were any sums which were additional in the ICI material, that was told to us by sir only. And plus, he'd given us written solutions. Like solutions to the particular questions were in typed format already. So I didn't have to waste a lot of time towards that. So for SFM, I just used his material. Again, ICISM I referred only if there was any extra question over there, which was just like 1-2 questions per chapter. That is SFM. Coming to audit, many of you have asked me कि क्या करना चाहिए, self study करना चाहिए, lectures लेने चाहिए. I've told this to everyone. C final में shortage होता है time का, do a self study. So that is what I had ultimately done. And as far as study material is considered, I have taken Pankaj Garg sir's book. Okay, you all can even refer the audit video that I have made. In Pankaj sir's book, I had taken his main theory book. I had taken his scanner or cracker. I had also taken his summary book. So these were the main sources from where I studied audit. Number 4 is law. For law, the lectures I had taken was of Abhishek Bansal sir. During lectures, I used to make my own notes in class. Even sir used to help us in making our own more understandable and easy to remember notes. But also at the same time, for notes, I would say that you all can also consider Shubham Singhal sir. His notes are very good. In under 200 pages, you'll be able to find a very concise, summary of law, which I haven't found anywhere else. So Shubham Singhal sir's notes were literally a savior. Okay, I would say that. Coming to number 5, SCMP. Again, a worrisome point for students. For lectures, I had referred JK Shah classes. However, I had watched only the lectures of practical chapters, like say decision making, transfer pricing, pricing decision, strategic analysis of operating income, and standard costing. I had watched the lectures only for these particular 5 chapters. And because I think theory is more of self-study even in SCMP, it is very much understandable if you do it yourself. And for study material, I had used the notes of the 5 practical chapters which I had created in class. Plus for practical chapters, I had even referred the ICI module for theory as well as any additional sums over there. Okay. And for the 6 theory chapters in costing, I had referred only and only the ICI SM. Okay. So ICI SM plus class note for practical plus case study digest in costing. this will sufficiently take care of your costing requirements. Coming to paper number 6. Paper number 6 is GFRS. For GFRS, I had again taken Bhavik sir, and I had just done his GFRS material plus my FR material plus FR shield and ITFG guidelines in GFRS. I had also carried this particular book to the main examination hall. Coming to paper number 7, direct tax. I had taken Bhavar Burana sir, who again very beautifully and helpfully summarizes a subject like DT in 230 hours. His study material is very good. I have taken Bhavar sir, and for study material I have just referred his books. Again, there was no need to refer the ICI SM in this case. Number 8 was IDT. I referred JK Shah classes for this. Nitin Nahar sir over there, who taught us a subject in around 140 hours or so. I used his material only, and for additional questions like say ICI examples and test your knowledge, that is all that I had done from the ICI SM. So coming to VEROLA, I actually use the ICI SM. Just a summary, I used it in paper number 4 in law for the examples and the test your knowledge given behind. In paper number 5, my study was majorly based on the ICI SM. Apart from some faculty notes for practical chapters of SCMP, and paper number 8, where again I refer the examples, the illustrations and test your knowledge given behind in the ICI SM. Alright, and for MCQs, for paper number 3 audit, I used Shubham Keswani sir's MCQ booklet because they gave me segregated MCQs, chapter wise segregated MCQs, which the ICI booklet did not offer. Then for paper number 4, law, I used the ICI MCQ booklet and not any faculty booklet for that. If you want, you can also consider Shubham Singhal sir's MCQ booklet for this particular subject. Then paper number 7, DT, I had referred the ICI MCQ booklet because in DT there are many amendments and I wanted the latest particular source for MCQs. You all can also consider Bhavar sir's MCQ booklet. And for paper number 8, IDT, I had referred my faculty JK Shah classes MCQ booklet. So that is it. That is all I had referred, and I hope I've solved your queries. If you all like the content of this particular video and want to be updated as regards my preparation strategies for all the subjects and the certified copy analysis, so click on the like button and the subscribe button and stay tuned.